Now let's talk about your time. Okay, yeah, you invest a year of your time, let's say roughly speaking, 6 months of your time opening a business, and it doesn't do well. We're talking worst case scenario, you go out of business. Guess what? You've probably learned more in that period of time than you've learned in the last whoever knows how long you've been alive in terms of career and entrepreneurialism. You've learned a lot, okay? And people who fail and are willing to attempt things and being willing to stay open to the idea of failure generally are more successful because, like a baby learning how to walk, I was using this analogy earlier in the group coaching, a baby learning how to walk, who do you think learns how to walk faster? The baby who sits on the sideline and is like calculating, it's like, okay, I don't want to make a mistake. I need to walk perfectly when I get up and walk. Or the baby who gets up and walks and falls down and gets up and tries to walk and falls down because they know that they're going to hit the ground. It's not that far away. So the whole point in this is realizing that the worst case scenario, if you're raising money from investors and so you don't have any of your own money on the table, you're in an industry that's growing, you are able to invest in having a company like ours support you with your business development, you execute on your business well, all these things reduce your risk. Everything in life is risky.